Lesson number 5, Operation on Rational Numbers. Practice set 22. Full practice set we are going to take in this video. Okay. And here will be solved example. Here will be rough work. We'll do all rough work between this line. We are going to take now practice set 22. Question number first. What is question number first? Carry out the following additions of natural numbers. Means these are the certain questions that we have to add it. Okay. We'll take first example. See what's question. First one. 5 upon 36 plus 6 upon 42. See how we'll solve it. 5, draw this bigger line has big, into right here plus 6, draw big line, 42. See here, we don't know, we have to find a table, so we'll do directly. Here 42, this is one numbers and this is 1. Now 42 will multiply here, both numerator and denominator. And here 36, this denominator will multiply this, and by this denominator we will multiply this. Okay. Then in this side it will be 36 and 36. Okay. With all multiplications I am going to show you all. See here, 42 into 5. Do in rough work. 42 into 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 4s are 20. Here 21. 21 and 0 whole upon 36 into 42. 6 2s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 7 0. 6 4s are 6 4s are 6, 12, 18, then 24. 2 here, 4 here, 4 3s are 4, 8, 12, 13, 14. Add here 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5 here and 1 here. So we'll write here plus, sorry, here note down it will come 1 5 1 2. Now 36 6 are 2 6 6 6 are 36, 6 3s are 18, 19 20 20, 6 3s are 18, 19 20 21. Here 2 1 6. Here also 42 into 36, both are same. So 1 5 1 2. Okay. Now here this common 1 5 1 2, under one line both will add 2 1 0 plus 2 1 6. Do your addition. 2 1 0 2 1 6 6 2 4 4 2 6 upon 1 5 1 2. Now we have to divide this. Okay, I will show you all division also. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 1 year, 2 5s are 10, 1 year, 2 6 are. See here, now it will not go with 2 stable because it's odd and this is even. So now add and check this, if it will go with 3 stable or not. 3 4 5 6, 6 will go. Now here 11 and plus 7 18, 1 plus 8 9, 9 will go in 3 stable, so we'll divide with 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 year. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3. Now add 7 plus 1, 8. It will not go with 3's table. Then it will not divide further. Okay. Write here 71 upon 252. So this is a required answer. WER, required answer. Have you all got? Now next question will go. Now question number, see here, in this type question I will take your practice in next video or at last. Okay, this type, this question, this and here this third one I'll take at last, because you all should understand it well. Okay, take third one now. Eleven upon 17 plus 13 upon 19. We'll make a rough column. Rough work. See here, again same, into plus 13 into 19 into this denominator, multiply both, and this denominator we should multiply here both. 19 19. Now multiply this. 19 into 11, 9 ones are 9, 1 ones are 1, 0, 1 9s are 9, 1 ones are 1, 9, 10, 209. 209 plus into 13, 7 14, 21, 3 4 5, 7 ones are 7, 1 ones are 1, 1, 12, here also 2, 2 2 1. What will come denominator? 17 into 19, 9 7s are 63, 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, 0 7 ones are 7, 1 ones are 1, 3 12 3. Okay, 3 2 3, 3 2 3, and see, add this will come common, and now add this both. 209 plus 221, here 10 3 4, 430. It is answer. So this is required answer. Now next one question. Now next one we'll go for question 2. Question 2, first one. 7 upon 11 minus 3 upon 7. See here, again same. 11 minus 3 upon 7 into. This denominator, both multiply this both. 7 into 7, and this denominator multiply this both. 11 11. 7 7s are 49 minus 33 and common 77 down. Then how much this you all will get it? 9 में से 3 गया कितना? 6 4 3 1 upon 77. Okay, this is answer right here. Therefore 7 upon 11 minus 3 upon 7 is equal to 16 upon 77. Okay, now we'll see next one. See question. Thirteen upon 36 minus 2 upon 40 and make rough column. Here rough work. 13 make big column, big row, into 40, 36 into 40 minus 2 into 36, 40 into 36. You all know how it came. This denominator multiplied both and this denominator multiplied this both. Okay, 520 upon 1440, multiplication of this, multiply this both, you all will get 72 upon this 1440 here. 1440 upon, you all will get 448. Now I will divide and show you all. Both are even at unit place, so divided by 2. 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4, zeros are 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. Again by 2, 2 threes are 6, 1 here, 2 six are 12, zeros are 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Here 2 ones are 2, 1 here, 2 eights are 16, zeros are 2 fives are 10, 1 here, 6 are 2 nines are 18, zeros are 2 twos are 4, 1 here, 2 eights are 2 twos are 4, no, 2 fours are 8, 1 here, 2 fives are 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Here it will come 5 and 14 upon 45 it have came. So it will not be further divided. It will come 9, it will come 5. So it will not be divided right here. Therefore 13 upon 36 minus 2 upon 40 is equal to 14 upon 45. Now next question. See this question. This both I will take afterwards as I told you. Now multiply the following rational numbers. Now multiplication. Third one. What is first question? 3 upon 11 into 2 upon 5. Multiply. 3, see here. I will write here once again. When both rational number will be in multiplication form, then denominator will be multiplied by denominator. Means 11 fives are 55 and numerator with numerator. 3 twos are 6 in this way. Okay, multiply, we will also multiply same. This all should not do like this. 3 2s are 6, this 55, finished. Okay, now next one, see what's second question. 12 upon 5 into 4 upon 15. See here, 12 fours are, do at side rough work. 12 into 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 and 15 5s are, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 7 75. So what came? 48 upon 15 5s are 75. This is the required answer. Now next, I will show you here. Minus 8 upon 9 into 3 into 4 is equal to, see here 8 and 4, it will be divided by 2, and this also cross multiplication, it will be divided by 3. We will write here and we will divide. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 4, sorry 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Okay, this minus 4, here minus 4, here minus 4 upon 3 into 1 upon 2, here minus 4 into 1, minus 4, 3 2s are 6. Now next question. There are question number 4 now. 0 upon 6 into 3 by 4 is equal to, now 0 3s are 0, 6 4s are 24. What will come answer? 0. Okay, now we'll go next one. Write the multiplicative inverse. In this also, this I will take afterwards, after finishing all. Copy next question. Fourth one, multiplicative inverse. First one is 2 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 5. Okay, inverse means we have to inverse this. When it will be positive, then its inverse will also be positive. This is question which I wrote, therefore I will write here, is equal to 5 upon 2. When it will be positive, this also will be positive. Okay, now next, second one. What is question? Minus 3 upon 8. Minus 3 upon 8. This is negative. Inverse means we should take downwards upside and upward downside. Okay, 8 upon 3 Negative means inverse will also be negative. It will also be same. Then only it's inverse of that. Okay. Now next. Question number 3. Minus 17 upon 39. I will show you all one. See here, the product of minus 11 upon 9 and 9 upon 11 is minus 1. Therefore, minus 11 upon 9, 9 upon 11 is not a pair of multiplicative inverse. Means when this minus and this is positive, it is not a pair of multiplicative inverse, because its answer will come negative 1. We don't want negative 1. It should be always positive and positive 1. Okay? And neither any odd number. So what's this inverse? 39 upon 17. For negative, it will be negative. Third one. Now fourth one is 7. When it will be 7, then denominator will be 1. So answer will be 1 upon 7. Okay. Now next one. I will show you all now how to solve multiplication. How to solve division. Your fifth one from textbook. Carry out divisions of rational numbers. Forty upon 12 divided by 10 upon 4. What will be the answer? See here, 40 upon 12 as it is, we should do a multiplication and it is divide. When we will convert it into multiplication, we will write inverse of this number. Okay, we have 10 upon 4, then we will write 4 upon 10. Have you all got it? Now see here, 10 ones are 10 fours are 40, 4 ones are 4 threes are. Now you write here 4 upon 3 into 1 upon 1. You all will get answer 4 into 1 4, 3 into 1 3. Right here, therefore 40 upon 12 divided by 10 upon 4 is equal to 4 upon 3. Have you all got it? Now next one. Second one. Minus 10 upon 11 divided by minus 11 upon 10. How you all will do it? Copy this same as it is. Minus 10 upon 11. In multiplication now, divide converted to multiplication. We will take inverse of this rational number. Then 10 upon 11 minus as it is. Now see. Minus minus positive. 10 into 10 100 and 11 into 11 121. Therefore minus 10 upon 11 divided by minus 11 upon 10 is equal to 100 upon 121. Now next one. Question third. Minus 7 upon 8 divided by minus 3 upon 6. Minus 7 upon 8 into divide converted into multiplication. We'll take inverse 3 upon 6, then we'll write 6 upon 3 minus as it is Now see here, what will cancel what? 2 3s are 2 4s are, again here 3 will cancel. Okay, 1s are 1s are. Minus 7 upon 4 into 1 upon 1. Answer will be minus 7 upon 4. Write here again. Minus 7 upon 8 divided by minus 3 upon 6 is equal to minus 7 upon 4. Now fourth one. Fourth one. 2 upon 3 divided by minus 4. It's in bracket and no denominator here. 2 upon 3 as it is, divided by, write a divide, and minus 4, nothing is down means 1 is there. Okay. Now we'll convert into multiplication form. 2 into 3, sorry, 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 4 negative. Cut it. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Right here minus 1, 3 twos are 6. Therefore 2 by 3 divided by minus 4 is equal to minus 1 by 6. Now next, fifth one I will show you afterwards, later, at last of this video. Together all form I am going to teach you. So sixth one we are going to take. Minus 5 upon 13 plus 7 upon 26. Here plus is not there. By mistake I wrote this. Divide is there. Okay. We are doing division, so divide. Minus 5 upon 13 into 26 upon 7. Cut it. 13 ones are, 13 twos are. Okay. And minus 5 into 2. 5 twos are 10. Minus 10. 7 into 1. 7. Therefore, minus 5 by 13 divided by 7 by 26 is equal to minus 10 upon 7. Now next, sixth finished. Now seventh. 9 by 11. It is same as question number 4. Nine upon 11 as it is in multiplication form. 1 upon 8 and negative sign. Okay. Now what will be divide? Nothing will cut. So 9 into minus 1, minus 9 upon 11 into 8, 88. Therefore 9 upon 11 divided by minus 8 is equal to minus 9 upon 88. Now seventh one. Seventh, no, it's 8 1. 8 divided by 2 by 5. 5 means 5 by 1. Divide 2 by 5. Then here 5 by 1 into here 5 upon 2 has a reciprocal of this. And 5 5s are 25. 2 1s are 2. Therefore, we'll write here 5 divided by 2 by 5 is equal to 25 upon 2. Now students, we have completed, and which we left in between, we are going to see that. That's some different. So I have taken last, because you all should understand well. Now from first one, fourth one we left, second one we left first. Here it is 1, 2 by 3 plus, here it is 2, here 4 by 5. I have to explain you this. 3 into 1, see here, 3 into 1, 3. You have 2 plus 2, okay, upon this 3. Then you all will get 3, 4, 5 upon 3. Here also you have plus right here. Here also same. 5 2s are 10. Then plus numerator, add numerator. What is denominator? 5 as it is. 10 plus 4, 14 upon 5. In this way you all will get. Okay. After this, you all can add this. Come on, now we'll see that. In same way, it is there. Here I will write. Again I will same, starting this line I am going to do once again, and how I am doing you all should concentrate. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5, 5 upon 3 plus 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4, 14 upon 5. Now make denominator same. 5 upon 3 into here plus 14 upon 5 into here 3, here 5. 5 5s are 25, here 15 plus 14 3s are, do here 4 8 12, 3 4, 42, 5 3s are 15. Now write here same 15 and add this 5 6 7 4 5 6, okay, 67 upon 15 it's came. Now we'll see the table. 15's table. 15 into 4, how much it will come? 5 4s are 20, 4 5 6, 60 came. Now how you can write in same form? In this form you can write it. You all should try that, okay? See here 15 denominator as it is. Write 15 as denominator. 15 4s are, means 15 4s are 60. 60 plus how much? 67. 60 plus 7. Okay. This is answer. See here. 15 4s are 60 plus 7. 7 upon 15. This form came. Okay. Now next one. In addition only we have fourth one. Same type. Two, here 3 upon 11 plus here 1, 3 upon 77. See here. 11 into 2, 22. 22 plus 3, 23, 24, 25. Okay. 25 upon 11 plus, how this you all will write? 77 ones are 77. 77 plus 3, 78, 79, 80. 80 upon 77. Now we should do it equal. So 25 here, 80, 77, 11 into. Here we will multiply it by 7, means we will get 77. We are making denominator same. Okay. This is our intention, to make denominator same. So here 77, here 77. So this multiplied by 1. 25 into 7 will get 175 upon 77 plus 80 into 1 80. 77 into 1 77. Both denominator common, take here. Add this both. 175 plus 80. Write here equal to. Then you will get 255 upon 77. This also you all can write here. Okay. See here 77 into 3. 7, 14, 21. 21, 22, 23. Okay. 255 minus 231. 4, 2, here 0. You all can write like this. Down 77 as it is. Here how much is 3 is 77 3 is 77 3 is 231. Minus will get 24. Here 24. Okay. You all can write your question also in this form. 2 3 upon 11 plus 1 3 upon 77 is equal to 3 24 plus 77. We have got same form. Okay. Now we'll go to second question. Carry out the following subtractions involving rational numbers. How much now? Third one. We have third one and fourth one in that type. 1. 2 by 3 minus here 3. 5 by 6. Solve here. 3 ones are 3. 4, 5 upon 3 minus 6 3s are 6, 12, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 upon 6 as it is. Now make denominator same. 5 upon 3 into minus 23 into 6 into. Now 6 ones I will do. 3 2s are 6. Okay. 3 into 2 6. 6 into 1 6. Same. Means denominator will be same. Now write here 5 2s are 10 upon 6 minus 23 upon 6. Here 10 minus 23 upon 6. Then you all will get minusing this both. You get minus 13. Here upon 6. It will not divide. See here. 6 2s are 12 and plus 1 you all can write. Minus take at side. And 6 as it is. 6 2s are 12 and here plus 1. Okay, in this form. I'll write full question now with answer. Hence 2 upon 3 minus 3 5 upon 6 is equal to minus 2 1 upon 6. Now fourth one. Fourth one of subtraction. 4 1 by 2 minus 3 1 by 3. See here. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 divided by 2 as it is minus. 3 3s are 9. 9 1s are 9 plus 1 10. 10 here and 3 down as it is denominator. Now you have to equal this both denominator. So you all will first write like this, 3 into, multiply this denominator to this and this denominator to this. Okay, here write 3, this 2 will come here, 2, 9 3s are 27 minus 10 2s are 20 whole upon 3 2s are 6 is common, minus how much you all will get, 7 upon 6. Now we have to write in form of given, in this form only. See here, 6 1s are 6 and plus 1. Okay, 6 1s are 6 plus 1. Okay, now next multiplication we have to call. Now question number 4, write the multiplicative inverse. See what is question. Fifth one, it is minus 7 1 by 3. We will solve first. 7 3s are 7 14 21. 21 plus 1 22. 22 upon 3 minus. Okay, we have to write inverse. So we'll write 3 upon 22 minus. This will be inverse. Okay, right here, therefore minus 7 1 by 3 is equal to minus 2 upon 22 minus 3 upon, okay, 3 upon 22. Now we are going to learn next one from question fifth one. 2 1 by 5 divided by 5 3 upon 6. See here, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 upon denominator as it is, divided by 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 3 33, 6 as it is. Now first what we'll do first, we have to convert this into multiplication form. Okay, 11 upon 5 as it is, divide converted to multiplication, 6 upside, 33 downward. Now this 3 1s are means 11 1s are and 11 3s are. Here 3 1s are, 3 2s are. Write this down, 1 upon 5 into 2 upon 1. Multiply, 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5. Here write question, 2 upon 1 upon 5 divided by 5, 3 upon 6 is equal to 2 upon 5. Hence we have finished now. Okay, thank you. See you next video which contains practice set 23. Okay, thank you for watching full video. Bye.